Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change MAC address on Windows 11. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, go to your desktop and click on the search bar. From here, search for Command Prompt, then right-click on it and make sure you run it as administrator. Once Command Prompt opens, type Get MAC and press Enter. After that, you will see your physical MAC address. Simply copy the MAC address shown there because we'll need it in the next step. Now, go back to the search bar again and search for Registry Editor, then open it. Once the Registry Editor opens, look for HKey Local Machine and expand it. After that, expand System. Right-click on the System folder and click Find. Here, paste the MAC address you copied earlier and click Find Next. When it locates the correct entry, scroll down to the bottom. Next, right-click in the empty area, click New, then select String Value. Name this new string Network Address. Once it's created, right-click on Network Address and click Modify. In the Value Data field, write this value, then click OK. After doing this, go back again and search for View Network. From there, click on View Network Connections and open it. Now, right-click on your active network adapter, click Disable, wait a few seconds, and then click Enable again. This step is important so the changes can take effect. Finally, open Command Prompt again as administrator and type Get MAC once more, press Enter, and you should now see that your physical address has changed to the new MAC address you set. And that's it. So that's basically how you can change MAC address on Windows 11. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.